Capricorn, this is your channel messages for the 21st of May. We are almost in Gemini season, so I'm pretty sure the communication and the talkative energy is now rising in your throat chakra, okay? Capricorn, I had a message yesterday and I breezed over the message because I thought that it was not important. My apologies. Capricorn, me getting in order to cure the pox, you have to poke it with a stick. Me getting something about, I'm sorry I never give you the message yesterday. I don't know why I never give you. I was just like, oh, it's not important. Me getting a need to collect sticks. You need to go outside and collect sticks. Now, I don't know if you have a fireplace. You need to burn the sticks that you collect outside. I don't know if you have a nearby park or nearby forest, or you have trees outside. Me getting a need to take sticks up. Capricorn, here's what I tell you for though. It says in order to cure the pox, right? I don't think it's chicken pox. I'm getting the hex. Something about producing rash, pimple, or pus size things on your body or face. This is not Miss Medical wizardry and witchcraft advice. YouTube technicians, maybe if you never wanted to be a YouTube technician, you could have enrolled in the fucking School of Arts, but you decided to be a fucking YouTube technician for block my content from other people who want to go into the School of Arts. Why you not just marry me and done? This is how I feel. I feel oppressed by the YouTube technicians. Might as well you make me your wife. And the oppression is I feel it from behind the YouTube technician screen, okay? Anyways, me getting you need to poke it with a stick. No, I don't know why Mark Zuckerberg thought that it was cool to put the poke button on Facebook. Like, why you poking? The only time I see people poke things is when it's dead and you're trying to see if it's alive. You poke it. You don't want to poke it with your hand. Me getting in order to cure something, you have to poke it with a stick. This is going to sound weird, Capricorn. You need to get some sticks and you need to poke yourself with it. Just poke yourself with a stick. And then burn the sticks. I don't know if you can burn it outside. If you have a fireplace, burn a stick. Alright? That is my advice to you, Capricorn. So let us go ahead and go into your reading, Capricorn. I'm sorry I did not give you the message yesterday. We're getting a need to go collect stick. And for all of you who talking about, I just did my hair, I just did my nails. What kind of hoe do I look like? Do I look like a stick collecting hoe? Rita Marley can make wood fire. Shut the fuck up, hoe. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Capricorn, we have the Knight of Swords coming out first. Alright, so I'm getting fast movement. You're doing something fast, quickly, now. We have the Sun card. I'm getting something about your son. I'm getting the baby's here, the baby's coming. It's here. I'm getting something about a baby boy. Could be a girl, but the Sun card is usually Leo, which is masculine energy. That's a boy. I'm getting something about your baby boy. Either them growing up too fast, the baby start talking or walking before it's time, or I'm getting as soon as you do something with these sticks, something with a child happens. We have the Seven of Cups. Okay, this could also be something about a due date. Maybe you were told that the gender of the baby was a boy. I'm getting it wasn't a boy. Or I'm getting something about you fantasize about having a kid. You're fantasizing about this child. We have a Star card. Yeah, it's a girl. You see? It's a star. I'm getting you try to remember something. You try to remember somebody's birthday. Maybe you have two people's birthday mixed up. I'm getting you saying that someone's a Leo. They're not a Leo. I'm getting they're either Aquarius or something else. I'm also seeing yourself, picturing yourself with this woman and you have a baby with her. I'm not sure if you're the type of man who pictures the girl who you love carrying a baby, or I'm getting a picture of yourself raising kids with this woman. One more. We have the Page of Wands. I'm getting something about a kid from your past that would have been all grown up now. So I don't know if you had a termination or pregnancy. I don't know if you gave up a kid for adoption. I'm getting you had to do something quickly. And I'm getting it always, it don't haunt you, but I'm getting it, well maybe, I'm getting you always thought about this baby. Your mind always run on this child. But I'm getting whatever you did with this child, you had to make it, you had to do a quick decision. But I'm getting something about the child is all grown up. Knight of Swords is clarified by the Page of Swords. I'm getting you always been watching this child. Maybe you watch somebody grow from a child to an adult. I'm getting you watch somebody grow from them little and they were trying to have creative thoughts into this big celebrity. Alright, the Sun card is clarified by the Nine of Pentacles. Yeah, it's a girl. You see? It's a girl. Maybe me getting the birthday somebody is giving you is in July or August. Me getting it's not a July or August. Me getting is a girl. You see? It's a girl. Perhaps you never know the sex of the baby. Me don't know. Me getting is a girl. And I remember, I think I said this on my channel already. I remember when the youngest sister, my baby sister Christina, remember when she was born. Because my mother only had one boy and all girls. I remember them really want Christina to be a boy. And my mother would buy yellow. Because she wasn't sure of the baby. Don't ask, listen to me. I knew that something was wrong with my mom's bro when she named my sister Brittany and the other sister Christina. Britney Spears and Christina Aguilera has been having beef ever since. And not to mention the whole lesbian argument, because you do know that when Madonna was performing with Britney Spears and Christina Aguilera, Madonna decided to kiss Britney. It's Britney, bitch, right? And on top of we talking about my mom naming my two sisters opposite beef entertainers, why the fuck is Chad name start with a T? You see how traumatic my upbringing could be for me. Okay, let's continue the reading. It's a girl. Or something about you had a baby. Did you have a baby? I'm getting Virgo. When Virgo have a baby, the baby is here. I'm getting something about your birthday. Or something about the baby or something about, I'm getting it's not a girl, it's not a boy, it's a girl. The Seven of Cups is clarified by Leo. Yeah, somebody I gave the Leo birthday. Me getting you're mixing up the girls, you mix up the daughters, something getting mixed up. You're saying is a Leo. Me don't know if you use the thoughts of a Leo. Like for example, the Leo is going around saying, as long as women have a hymen, it doesn't matter how many they're still a virgin. That sounds like a man. Sound like a Leo, a man. We're getting the thoughts are of a Leo. Look, we have Leo too. This is two cards that represents Leo. But Leo is a boy. We're getting our birthday. Her birthday is, we're getting the birthday. Is either somebody take your birthday or that's not your birthday. Because I'm getting Virgo, I'm getting Leo. Then clarifying the Seven of Cups is Leo card. I'm getting something about a Leo. I'm getting something about a Leo. I don't know if the birthday getting mixed with a Leo, they're mixing you up with a Leo, or I'm getting the thoughts is of a Leo man. And you're thinking, is this girl? It's not her, it's a Leo man. The Star card is clarified by the Ten of Pentacles. Yeah. The Star card, Ten of Pentacles. Oh, I heard that today is Millionaire Day. Today in Toronto, in Canada, today is a Millionaire Day. That's what I heard. Right? This is what I heard on Good Morning, It's Chum Radio, coming to all my Torontonians this morning. Now listen, there has been a crash on the freeway. We're not sure of what the timestamp will be if you're passing that area, but just go ahead and listen to some music from Chum. Thinking about me, thinking about her, and thinking about me, espresso. Okay, wait. Today is Toronto National Millionaire Day. Is that what it's called? When they can't give it to me. Okay, according to AI, it's saying that Toronto is considered a city with a significant millionaire population. I knew that moving to this city would enhance me finding a man, especially a millionaire. While there is no official Millionaire Day in Toronto, excuse me, AI, somebody did not update you. Me heard it on the radio this morning. Something about Millionaire Day. Am I tripping? I heard it on the radio. Anyways, the star card. Be getting something I'll be returned to you. Be getting all of your riches, all of your wealth. It's gonna be returned to you. The Ten of Pentacles, the star card. That's a lot of money. Be getting a lot of money. Be getting a lot of money coming in by a Leo, or a Leo was holding on to your money, or somebody had you mixed up with a Leo. The Page of Wands is clarified by the Seven of Pentacles. Yeah. Getting a lot of money. This could be like a bet. Maybe it's a bet. Somebody had a bet. I'm getting something about the baby gender. Whether you're trying to make the baby be a boy or a girl. Then we're getting something about this grown-ass woman. What we don't know. Is either on the session she had a baby and she did not. We're getting 10 of Pentacles. Okay, Capricorn, you'll be getting a lot of money. A lot of money is coming in for you. We have MK Ultra. We have the number 8. Somebody might be a Leo 8, a Leo 17, or a Leo 26. We have Cancer. We have illness. I'm not sure if somebody's diagnosed with cancer. We have a number 6. 6 and 8 is 14. 4 and 1 is 5. The 5th zodiac sign is Leo. One more. And we have Prophet. Yeah, somebody thought that they were the son of Christ. Sweetie, you're just the son. You should know that. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, bye.